Let that shoulder drop down. Okay. Looks good. Relax here. Breathe out here. Okay, good. All right. That sounded great. Okay. Really try to let that shoulder drop down here, okay? Relax here. Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, very good. All right. And then we're going to pull on it right here. Relax your abs. Okay, good. That was underneath here to push this forward and upward, okay? So relax here. There we go.